Welcome to the Database Showcase. Our databases are accessible from our website by going to the Adults tab and selecting Research Databases. This month, we would like to share Chilton's auto repair manuals with you. The Chilton Library is an extensive database of auto repair manuals and maintenance information for both professional automotive technicians and at-home mechanics. The quickest way to get started using the Chilton Library is to search your vehicle of choice using the Vehicle Selector. Choose the year from 1901 to present, as well as the make and model from the drop-down menus. Once you've selected a vehicle, there are sections for repair, maintenance, and bulletins and recalls. The repair section has a table of contents organized by vehicle system. Maintenance will show suggested inspections based on the vehicle's mileage. Bulletins and recalls gives any technical bulletins regarding the vehicle. All of the instructions, maintenance schedules, and technical bulletins are printable as well. Another feature of the Chilton Library is the ASE Test Prep quizzes. For those preparing for Automotive Service Excellence Technician certification, these quizzes are a great tool for gearing up for that certification exam. Chilton's library has many things to offer for the average vehicle owner and the trained automotive technician. This database is accessible for free from any computer or smart device with your library card. To quickly access the Chilton Auto Repair Manuals, visit the Orrville Public Library website and select Research Databases from the Adults tab. Thank you.